Welcome to Crawford Supply's new online ordering system. This video will take you step by step through navigation and troubleshooting so that you can quickly and easily find exactly what you're looking for. You'll find an easy access link at crawfordsupply.com. In the navigation bar at the top of the page, click Catalog. This will take you to our new e-commerce homepage. Select Professionals or click the Login button under the picture. You are now in our login page. If you know your user ID and password, you can enter them in the appropriate boxes. If you're an existing customer and already have an account with us, click here. If you're a new customer, click the link to register online and you'll be directed to a page with instant account setup. If you have any problems at all throughout the login process, you can send an email to help@crawfordsupply.com. For this demonstration, we'll use existing login information and proceed to the catalog. Once logged in, you'll have several choices of paths to follow to find the product you're searching for. You can simply type in a keyword in the search bar located at the top right of the screen, or you can click on the images for bathroom, kitchen, or other products and begin your search here. For this demonstration, we're looking for a Kohler bathroom sink, so we'll click the category Bathroom. Once in the bathroom plumbing category, we'll click on Bathroom Sinks to go specifically into the Bathroom Sinks subcategory. Once in this subcategory, we want to narrow down our search a bit. To the left of the screen, you'll see your choices for selecting your brand, collections, colors, or finishes, and so on. For this demonstration, I want to see only Kohler sinks, so I'll select brand and then click the box labeled Kohler. There are still so many to choose from, so I'll click Color/Finish on the left side and click the box for white sinks. And then I'll go back to the menu on the left one more time and select Mounting Type because I know I want an undermount sink. Across the top of the screen, you'll see my refined search: bathroom, bathroom plumbing, bathroom sinks, Kohler, white, under. Scrolling down the screen, I see the sink I would like to order and click on it. I'm now in the product page of the sink that I would like to order. This next page that appears will show you availability throughout the region, your price, and as you scroll down, you can see specifications and more information on the product you've chosen. Please note that under the price, you'll see availability to the right of the availability. Click the small blue circle to see specific availability by branch. I need 2 of these Kohler sinks, so I'm going to fill in the quantity with 2 and then add to cart. My selected products are now loaded. Next, I go up to the top navigation bar and I can either view my cart or check out. I'm ready to check out, so I'm going to click the checkout button. Once on the checkout page, I need to complete the shipping information form. Don't forget to enter your purchase order number, as this will serve as your personal tracking information. When you get down towards the bottom of the page, you'll see a drop-down menu called Shipping Method. 4 choices will appear. Our truck is an optimal choice. With this option, your product will be delivered on our trucks. The second choice is UPS Ground, which is self-explanatory. The third choice is Will Call. When choosing the Will Call option, it is imperative that you select the appropriate shipping branch. You'll find the shipping branch and drop-down form directly beneath the Shipping Method menu. After completing the form in its entirety, hit Continue. You are now on the checkout page where you will choose to see your pricing either as a bid or estimate, or choose your optimal form of payment. For this demonstration, I'm going to choose Bill My Account. I've now entered the order summary page where you'll want to double check all of the information on the page. If you notice something that is incorrect, click the Modify Order button. If all of the information appears correctly, click the Submit Order button. Please note that only orders placed before 4 p.m. will be delivered the next business day. After submitting the order, you will receive an order confirmation page that you can print and save for your records. Again, if you have any problems throughout your ordering process, send an email to help@crawfordsupply.com or call your outside sales representative for assistance. As always, thank you for your partnership and enjoy our new online ordering system.